Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So if you've accidentally changed the language and you have no idea what to do, then I'll try to explain it slowly how to get into a specific section. So first of all, we have to open the settings, so the app with a gear icon. Let's tap on it. Then, which is quite easy, we have to scroll all the way down, and now we have to tap on this additional settings option with 3 dots icon. So 1, 2, 3, fourth option from the bottom. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on languages and input, and it is the second position. So let's tap. Here languages, which is at the very top, so the first position, and fortunately we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all we have to do is to find the language and then tap on it. I will pick, for example, Greek. So just tap on the language, it will be immediately marked. We can go back, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again quickly. I will set it to English, and as you can see right now, we've got English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.